Hi guys, Adrian the Porsche lover. So today we will talk about 5 essential safety items you should have in your car. Let's deep dive into this subject for today. As usual, we'll start with a wristwatch check. So on my wrist today is actually a Victorinox Inox. So this is actually made by Victorinox, the famous Swiss Army knife, the red color one that you always see. And this they made for their 130th anniversary. This is so famous because they subjected it to 130 torture tests such as boiling the watch, putting it in ice, and also running over, dropping it and everything. So this is a Naimaka special edition where it comes with a red color paracord strap and a red color dial. Okay, back to our topic at hand. So as you can see, I've already laid out all the safety items that I want to talk about for today on the floor itself, and we'll go by one. At the same time, I will also explain where you should put the safety items in your car. I will also do a second part of the video where I will focus more onto safety items that people who drive a lot needs, especially people who go for drives and also people who go outstation. Alright, so we start with the first one. The first one will be, of course, a toolbox set or toolkit. So in this toolbox kit, you can see that there's a plier, there's a screwdriver, there's a blade. Why this is important is because, let's say for example, if the car, there's any item that comes loose, for example a panel or a clip, you can actually use the screwdriver to put it back in, or to use the plier to take it out if necessary. At the same time, in a pinch, you can actually use the plier to open up the battery terminals. For this toolbox kit, I will recommend you to put it in the boot of the car itself, so that let's say if you need it, only you can take it out. The second item you have in your car will be a first aid kit. So you can see this first aid kit is actually brand new in packaging, hasn't been opened yet. But let's say if your car doesn't come with one, you can actually make this very easily. You can take a normal small bag and put in a few items in. Will be bandages, gauze, antiseptic cream like betadine, scissors, and also an aspirin or paracetamol depending. So you can put this in your car at the front trunk or the bonnet itself, same like the toolkit together. This third item, some people may not be familiar with, and this is the first time you're looking at this. This is actually called a window breaker cum safety belt cutter. So it's a 2-in-1 tool. So this is very important in the case of an accident where your doors are actually banged in, you can't open the door, you need to smash the windows. So you can see there's a sharp edge here, we can use to smash the window. And before you get out, you need to make sure that you can unbuckle your seatbelt. Let's say in the event that your seatbelt is actually jammed, you can use the seatbelt cutter here. You can see there's a blade inside here to cut the seatbelt. So like I say, it's a 2-in-1, and this tool you should put it in your car itself, either in your side pocket or in the glove box, because you put it outside the car, in case of an accident, you cannot reach this and hence you cannot escape from the car. If you like this video so far, please give a like button. Thank you. The fourth item will be a jumper cable or a jumpstart cable. I will say this is one of the most used items in my car itself. I can't tell you how many countless times I've used this to rescue friends' car or even my own car. I recently did a video on how to jumpstart a Porsche. You can check out the link below. So for this item, I will recommend you putting into your bonnet together with the first aid kit and also the toolkit that I mentioned earlier. The last and final item will be the fire extinguisher. This is actually one of the most important and underrated safety items that you have in your car. Let's say in the event of a fire due to spark or whatever reason, the fire extinguisher will be your lifesaver from making sure that your car doesn't get destroyed in the fire and also saving you a lot of money. So this item, you should put it in your car itself. Why? Because let's say in the event of an accident where your car gets crushed from the front and back, you are unable to open your bonnet. So this item can't be taken off to put out a fire. So for myself, I always put it in the front passenger seat beneath it with a slide-in mechanism. Actually, there's a new one out already where I saw from Euro Group, there's this thing called Nanex, where it's a small little fire extinguisher. Actually, I prefer that because it's much smaller and I can store it easier. Unfortunately, I've already got this ready, but if you're interested, I'll put in the link down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and found some value from this video. So those are the 5 safety items that you should have in your car. So in the meantime, stay safe, take care, I'll catch you in the next video.